It's a robot which is called line follower, and it's our project. In our project we are 4 members. I, Shweta Sharma, and 3 other members are Shreya Verma, Gargi Das and Preeti Kumari. Now I explain the functionality and the working of this robot. As we can see, it's a bipolar resistor which is used to minimize the ripple factor. Ripple factor is a sine wave. When we use the bipolar resistor convert the ripple factor into a constant wave, and it's a ceramic capacitor which is denoted by C1. The ceramic capacitor used to charge the filter. These are the diodes, as we can see, and these are the transistor. Diodes are used to voltage regulation, and the transistor transmits the charge. These are used to connect the one circuit to another circuit, and it's a switch. When we switch is used for on and off, and these are the resistance. And as we can see, these are the sensors, 2 sensors we used in a line follower, and these are the most important part of the line follower robot. As we can see, it includes the resistance, the IC and the LEDs. LEDs are, here we can see 2 LEDs, one is infrared and second is photodiode. Photodiode is used to emit the light intensity. The working of this line follower, as we can see, it follow a black line which is intensity is 0, and as we can see, it's a white paper on which we draw a black line. And the most important part of this circuit board is, and this is IC. IC is used for the high operations and high speed, and these are the wheels which are connected through a motor. The motor is used for rotate the wheels. So when we on the switch, as we can see, this robot is follow the line. So now we can see it's when I switch on the light, and it follows a single line which we can see. So now I switch off the light, and we can see the working of the line robot, and the working is the follow a single line which you can see it follows. So that's a line follow.